The option Greeks are a set of metrics used to measure the sensitivity of options prices to various factors. They help traders and investors understand and manage the risks associated with options trading. Here's an overview of the primary option Greeks. Delta measures the rate of change in the options price concerning a $1 change in the underlying asset's price. Interpretation: a delta of 0.50 means the options price is expected to change by 50 cents for every $1 change in the underlying asset. Gamma represents the rate of change in the options delta concerning a $1 change in the underlying asset's price. Interpretation: high gamma values indicate that delta is more sensitive to changes in the underlying asset's price. Theta measures the time decay of an option's price, the rate at which the option loses value as time passes. Interpretation: a negative theta implies that the option's value decreases as time elapses, particularly significant for options with closer expiration dates. Vega gauges the sensitivity of an option's price concerning changes in implied volatility. Interpretation: a higher Vega indicates that the option's value is more sensitive to changes in volatility. Rho measures the sensitivity of an option's price concerning changes in interest rates. Interpretation: Rho is particularly relevant for options with longer time to expiration, as interest rates can impact the present value of future cash flows. Key takeaways: Delta reflects price sensitivity to changes in the underlying asset. Gamma measures how delta changes in response to changes in the underlying asset. Theta indicates the impact of time decay on option value. Vega measures sensitivity to changes in implied volatility. Rho gauges sensitivity to changes in interest rates. If you own a call option with a delta of 0.70, gamma of 0.05, theta of -0.02, Vega of 0.03, and Rho of 0.01, a $1 increase in the underlying asset's price would result in a 70 cents increase in the option's price, delta. The option's delta would increase by 0.05 if the underlying asset's price changes by $1, gamma. The option's value would decrease by 2 cents per day due to time decay, theta. The option's value would increase by 3 cents for a 1% increase in implied volatility, Vega. The option's value would increase by 1 cent for a 1% increase in interest rates, Rho. Understanding the Greeks is crucial for options traders as it helps them assess and manage the various risks associated with option positions.
Yeah, baby.